Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check messages on your Facebook business page. This is essential for maintaining communication with your customers and ensuring you never miss an important inquiry or conversation. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Locate your Facebook business page in this menu and click on it to access your business page directly. Once you click on your business page, you'll be redirected to your Facebook business management page. This is the central hub where you can oversee all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. Now focus your attention on the left navigation menu again. Here, you need to locate the Meta Business Suite option. This is Facebook's comprehensive tool for managing your business activities across both Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. After clicking, you'll be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This dashboard provides you with an overview of your business performance and various management tools. On the left navigation menu of this dashboard, look for the Inbox option and click on it. This is where all your customer communications are centralized, making it easier to manage conversations from one place. When you click on Inbox, you'll be presented with several inbox sections that you can have and add to your Meta Business Suite. These sections help you organize different types of messages and interactions. To specifically check the messages from your Facebook business page, click on Messenger. This is Facebook's primary messaging platform where all direct conversations with your customers take place. Once you've clicked on Messenger, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the messages you've received in your business inbox. From here, you can read through conversations, respond to customer inquiries, and manage all your Facebook business page communications efficiently. This centralized inbox ensures you stay on top of all customer interactions and maintain timely responses. And there you have it, you've successfully accessed your Facebook business page messages through the Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.